Hey, welcome back. Today I want to answer a question that I got from some of you podcast listeners using my teachmetom.com/ask Tom webpage. And he or she, I don't know, that didn't get any name, wrote this question. Hey, Tom, what are free tools for non-coders that are available online that can help me learn programming as a beginner programmer? Very cool. Thank you for that question. In fact, there's a very, very famous tool called Scratch. It's been developed by the guys at MIT, by the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, very, very famous university. And it allows you to practice and learn programming using nothing but colored blocks, moving blocks around on your screen, so you don't need to type anything. It's really cool, and I'm really, really convinced that it will help you learn programming, and I'm so convinced that I even wrote a book about it. It's called Programming Secrets Book. If you are interested in getting that, just keep listening, and I will tell you how to get it from me for cheap, or you can buy it from Amazon, of course, as a printed book. But Scratch is very, very cool. It allows you to learn programming by assembling existing building blocks, really colored blocks that you attach to each other, just like Lego blocks. And by doing that, you learn the basic principles of any programming language. You don't have to type anything. You can't make any syntax errors because, the worst thing that can happen is that you don't connect the right blocks, or that you just place the blocks there but don't connect them, but it's quite obvious then what's going on. So it's really cool. There's a lot of materials available. You don't need to get my book. Of course, I would be honored if you would like to get it. But it's by no means the only way to learn Scratch, of course. So yeah, if you're interested in learning programming without really typing, Scratch is a very, very good option for you. But it can be a little bit limited, especially if you want to learn some more advanced topics. There's another block-based visual programming language called Snap that's similar to Scratch but has more advanced features. It's got a scripting language that allows you to create building blocks by yourself. Scratch has that in a way as well, but not as advanced and the way that you would do it in a real modern programming language where you type. That's not possible in Scratch, but it's possible in Snap. So you can use Snap to create any kind of interactive simulations and games. It works on multiple devices, including smartphones and tablets. So if you're already a little bit advanced, then Snap is a very good option. And the third option I would like to mention is an app called App Inventor. It's also a block-based programming platform. It's developed by Google, and it allows you to create Android apps in the same way, basically by having a visual interface and then making it quite easy for beginners to get started, to connect existing components to each other that you can use to create apps, including stuff like GPS, location-based services, or text-to-speech, or other phone sensors. There's a lot of sensors built into our smartphones, and you can use App Inventor to get data from them. And the cool thing is that you can really use App Inventor to create fully functional apps, and you can publish them even on the Google Play Store. So again, 3 cool tools to help you get started to learn programming without typing. The first one was called Scratch. Second one is called Snap. And the third one was called App Inventor. If you're interested in getting going, I would highly recommend my book, Programming Secrets, to you. And if you're interested in getting that, then just keep listening.